Hey guys, it's Danielle and I am going to unbox my spring Fab Fit and Fun box. So I know the last time I unboxed, I think was the fall box, and I was saying I wasn't sure if I was going to keep the subscription after going through all the seasons. And I got my December box and did not unbox it with you guys, but I loved my December box. I was very pleased and happy with the choices. I actually went through and selected everything for the December box, so that made a huge difference, I think, in my satisfaction with the boxes. So I decided to keep the subscription for at least another season, maybe for the whole year, we'll see. So I just got my spring box, which is my second spring box. So we are going into a full year of this that I have had the Fab Fit and Fun subscription. So before I open it up, just to give you guys my thoughts on it, if I think it's worth it, I would say so far it's been worth it. I paid $75 a season and you get full size products in the box. So that's nice. If you're looking for a way to kind of try out some different things, as far as product wise, it gives you the opportunity to try it without feeling like you waste your money. And a lot of the things that come in the box cost, you know, $20-30 plus dollars, so you feel like you're getting your money's worth. For example, in my spring box, I got a candle that I have been wanting to try, and I just could not wrap my brain around paying like $100 for this particular candle. And so when I saw that it was an option in the box, I was like, oh my gosh, yay. And so it gave me the chance to get the candle, try it out, see if I really like it, and know if I wanted to later buy more of those candles without feeling like, oh my gosh, I just wasted this money. Because I got the candle, I also got house shoes along with some other products in that box. So it was like getting more for your buck, if that makes sense. So I think it's a great way to try different things. Some of the clothing items, like the house shoes, which I am currently wearing. These were in my winter box, and I love these house shoes. For that reason, I really do like it. The cons that I currently have is a lot of the kids, you guys. A lot of the products are things that I can't use or don't feel comfortable using. So like the skincare products, a lot of them I just can't use, or again, don't feel comfortable using. So that's probably my biggest con. A lot of the facial products, skincare products, the hair, depending on what type of hair you have, what type of skin you have, yeah, it can be a little tricky. So that's probably my biggest con. Other than that, I mean, I'm satisfied with it. Like I said, I'm gonna keep on rocking and rolling. So alrighty, let's get into this spring box for 2020. I did do the selection. I have found that that's the only way I like this subscription, is if I go through and make choices. They have a premium membership where you can choose everything in your box. With the membership that I have, I think you only get to choose, I think maybe four of the products. I'm not 100% sure. So keep that in mind as well. All right, I just love how pretty these boxes are, y'all. That's the inside. So pretty, it makes me so happy. This magazine cover has Gina Rodriguez on the front. So there's the magazine. What is this a coupon for? Looks like there's a coupon for bites. You always get a HelloFresh coupon. I still have yet to try HelloFresh, partially because my family is just too big for HelloFresh. They don't have meal sizes that I feel are reasonably priced for my size family. So, but there it is with the little butterfly sticker. So pretty. I think presentation is everything. All right, y'all, let's see. All right. So I selected the umbrella. So I got an umbrella. We are in a rainy season, and my kids have destroyed all my umbrellas. So yeah, this one is so this one is Shoshana brand. I think I'm saying that right. Can you guys see the tag right there? So, and it's an automatic pop-up. It comes with the cover. So cute. It's blue and yellow, which I was like, yay for that. Okay, this is an energizing 2-minute polishing pill. So gently resurface skin. So again, another skin type. It says all skin types. I'll probably try this because it's like a, can you guys see it? Because it is a kind of like a mask. It's a pill. So more than likely I'll try it. This one is a deep sleep body cocoon. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It's a lotion. So this works is what it is. Used nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish skin while you sleep. So this one is like a lotion. Lotions I'm pretty okay with using, so I'll probably use this as well. It's more so my face. So lotions, things like that I can use. All right, this is a rosewood and linseed body oil. I wasn't expecting this. So it's a body oil. Let's see. So let's see what this lotion feels like. Oh, there's a little. And like I said, you guys, this is like a full size. Oh, it just came right out. It's like kind of. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, y'all, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That smells really good. But it also smells like almost woodish, kind of like a cedar. Oh, it smells so good. All right, so let's see with this body oil. I must put it on my arm since I did the lotion on my hands. Ooh. All right, so it doesn't come out like a mist. It is definitely an oil. Ooh, that smells so good too. Oh my gosh, can y'all see that shine? Shining. That smells good. Ooh, that smells good. That is good, y'all. Look at that shine. I'm impressed. Pomegranate. Smells good. I'm like one of them people that still loves baby oil, so you know, this I will probably definitely be using. That really like look at the difference. Can y'all see the difference on my arms? Anyway, so there's that, and then there's one more cream. This is Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. So this is hair care. So this is for your hair. And this leave-on conditioner. Again, y'all, I don't necessarily try the hair stuff. So there's that. If you guys ever want me to like do a full review over just a single product that comes in these boxes, let me know in the comments below. and I will do that. All right, the other thing, and this is one that I did select, was this weighted sleep mask. So this is by Gravity. It has weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. I am all about the sleep mask. Hi, Pooh. Here, sit right here. Sit right here. Okay, so it has a zipper, y'all, right here. And you can actually take out the weights. So you can take out this part. So yes. Oh, that feels like it's gonna, oh, I got makeup on it. That feels like it's gonna feel good. So that was one of my selections. I don't know where he came from, but we're gonna try to get through this. All right, the other thing I selected was silicone straws. I am all about these straws. I have metal ones, I have silicone ones. I just love these straws, y'all. Love them, love them, love them. I keep them in my baby bag. Ooh, I don't know, what is this? What's this handy dandy thingamajig? Oh, is this like to keep the straws in? That's gonna be nice, because one of the things I have struggled with my straws, with carrying them, is putting them in my bag. So I think, can you please sit right here? So I think that this is like a carrying, I don't know, that's weird, because that didn't quite work the way I thought. There we go. So it's like a carrying case for your straws. So yay, that'll be nice. An easy way to keep them in my bag. $11. Can you just wait a second, please? Just wait a second. Wait 1 second. Right here. Right here. Right here. No, sit right here. Sit. If y'all don't use these, I highly, highly recommend getting you some reusable straws. Like, I'm all about the reusable straws. There is nothing worse than traveling or being somewhere and they forget to give you a straw. That is like an Achilles heel for me. All right, and the last thing in this box is by Donnie, and I can't even remember what this is. So this is a cardigan, and it is by Donnie, the brand Donnie, and it's just a tan color with a little hint of with a little hint of black. It feels really good, really soft. Oh, it feels so good. So I got a cardigan in my last spring box, and y'all, I wear that thing all the time. Like, I literally will wear it around the house as like a little cover up robe thing. I wear it out, I dress it up, I dress it down. I love it. So when I saw another cardigan, I was like, yes, let me have it. Let me have it. So this one feels good. It feels cozy too. I just love cardigans. Anyway, so that is that as well. So that was the spring box for Fab Fit and Fun, y'all. I am happy with this box. I love it. I am satisfied with the products. So far the only box I have been like, the only box I have been like, was the fall box. And I think that's because I just let everything be a surprise and didn't select anything, and I think that just was not a good idea. Like, for me, I need to choose what's in my box so that I'm happy with it. And then having a few surprises, you know, like the pill, the oil, oh, it smells so good. This lotion, things like that. It's like, oh, this is a good surprise. So, you know, but everything, no, not for my personality. So yeah, y'all, that was the spring box. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you would like for me or hen to do a full review over any of the products that come in this box. If you're interested in maybe just purchasing the products from the company themselves, I will do that. Just leave it in the comments below. And as always, you guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, you already know what to do. Hit that button. Don't forget to thumbs up. And I love you guys. You guys are the MVPs. Bye. Yes, we've seen it. We know what it is.